Ever wondered which operating system can supercharge your coding adventures? The answer might surprise you. It's Linux. Today, we're delving into the reasons why Linux is the preferred platform for programmers worldwide, from beginners to seasoned veterans. First up, Linux is open source and customizable. Picture Linux as a digital canvas, with you as the artist. The open source nature of Linux gives you an exceptional degree of freedom and control. You can choose from a variety of Linux distributions, each bringing their unique features and flavors to the table. The customization doesn't end there. You can modify your desktop environment, icons, fonts, themes, and more. And the icing on the cake? You can create your own commands and functions through shell scripting, a powerful tool for automating tasks and boosting your productivity. Next, Linux supports a broad spectrum of programming languages and tools. Think of Linux as your trusty programming toolkit, primed and ready for any language or framework you wish to tackle. With built-in compilers and interpreters for languages such as C, C++, Python, and Perl, you're well equipped for any coding challenge. Installing new languages and frameworks is a breeze, thanks to Linux's user-friendly package manager. Need a coding boost with Sublime Text? A simple command in the terminal, and you're all set. Linux also offers a plethora of built-in tools that simplify text manipulation, server connections, and version control. Moreover, Linux is fast and secure. It's the Ferrari of operating systems, known for its speed and stability. Even with minimal hardware, Linux performs with ease, multitasking like a pro. On the security front, Linux is a fortress. It requires authorization from the root or super user for critical actions, reducing the risk of malware and viruses. Your data remains safe and secure, and Linux respects your privacy by not collecting or sharing your personal information. For an added layer of security, you can encrypt your data using tools like GPG or VeraCrypt. To sum it up, these are just a handful of compelling reasons why Linux is the ultimate choice for programmers, but the journey doesn't end here. Linux offers compatibility across various devices and platforms, a vibrant community, extensive documentation, and the best part, it's free and open, just like the limitless world of coding. So if you're looking to supercharge your programming endeavors, Linux is your perfect companion.